finally we get to ride the ultimate GP machine. Yo, what's up everyone? Just down at Hyside Motorcycles today. I'm having a look at another one of Pete's bikes, the YSR500. He's had all this sprayed, engine rebuild, all stuff done on it, looks nice. Look at him polishing his Porsche. He's been a Porsche owner for 2 days, he's in the owners club, he's forever out there polishing it. Are you going to be able to reach the floor on that?
I want to be into it for 3.5
Yeah, I know, I just found that way.
Right, it needs a choke. Well, pump it.
It's fully rebuilt.
That ain't going, is it?
That ain't got no spark.
Colour spark. That's important.
What came out for?
Because you have to take that off to get the tank off.
It?
Why have you got no spark bit, Paul?
No, let's find out. Go away.
Yeah, that's it. Turn it off, can you? No, there's wires. Oh, is it not connected? Now there. Out. As soon as you put it in. Loads on that one.
Okay. Loads of spark.
Quick, store them up. Might need them later.
What'd you say?
Hurry up, quick.
What'd you say to that?
Thank you.
That's what that is, just brittle wires.
Brittle bones.
That's what you get when you get older, isn't it?
Apparently.
Hey, look at that. Might be a little rich with the old 2-stroke. He's in third already. Off the block?
Yeah. Where did you go with it?
Well, I was going to turn right back round here, but I missed it because I couldn't stop.
I didn't see
You didn't see that, no?
Top technician.
Yeah.
He wants me to thank him again and again, doesn't he?
Yeah, if someone gives you something for nothing, what do you say?
You say thank you.
Thank you.
Pete and the lap record.
I'm dizzy now.
Number 1, time's up, come in please. What's your verdict?
That's better than what I expected. Not that I expected much.
I should have timed you. Did you have a lap timer on there?
You've got an egg timer.
At least I know what Rossi feels like now. Look, comes out of his garage, sees his Yamaha. I never thought I'd get to ride a GP bike.
How was it?
Slow. You just put the stand down with your hand.
Cool little thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that was a YSR500. Got to say, it's not the most powerful bike. It's not the fastest bike I've ever ridden. It probably is the slowest bike I've ever ridden. Probably not even the slowest bike I've ever ridden. Probably the slowest machine I've ever ridden. I'm sure there's lawnmowers out there faster than this, but when you're on the go and you're going around the bend, as long as you've got the right gear, you can keep some momentum on it. It looks like we've got our new little GP track out the front, around the block there, so yeah, we'll see if we can set some lap times. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, having a look at this miniature bike. It's just a bit of fun. If you like this kind of thing, all things bike, maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
It looks like an actual GP bike when he's wheeling it.
You're fucking in trouble, you are.
Whoa.
Where is he?